Hey guys, so great news for AI video creators. Here you can see the Bing just released their Bing video creator. What is the best thing about this video creator is that this is actually a SORA video creator. You can see it on their website. And SORA video creation is basically an open AI tool. And here you can see when I scroll down, this is actually a great looking video tool. I think the next release will be most likely better than VO3 in my opinion. And now you can create videos for free. So the first thing you have to do is basically go on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, install the Microsoft Bing. Then you will have to open, and next thing is you will have to create an account and sign in. And then easy, go on search. Here you see basically you don't see anything. You just write video, and here you will see in the top left corner video creation, video creator. And here it is. You basically describe the video. The video basically aspect ratio will be like for TikTok and Instagram 9:16, 5 seconds long. And here you can see there is a fast render and standard. I think you will need some balance, some credits to get a better, faster video creation speeds. But let's use the fast version, and let's, for example, write cat catching a dog. Okay, so let's create a video, and here you can see it is actually already creating. It will most likely take around few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Your video is in the works. So let's wait. Here you can see this is my previous video that I created, which is dog eating spaghetti. So that basically here you can see the SORA video is not as great as Kling AI and VO3, but you can generate some great videos. Here you can see the videos created, and the cat is catching dog as I asked the video, the AI. So yeah, that's basically it. Free tool, no more paid version because this SORA costs $20 a month. You get the basically ChatGPT Plus version where you can use the version 3. You get the SORA. You can create images and videos, but now you can basically install Bing, sign up, and basically use the Bing video creator if you cannot afford to pay the $20 a month for ChatGPT. So great news. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification and you don't miss out on AI news like these ones. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.